Good morning, children! Today, we're going to learn about English alphabets, letters, sounds, and pictures. Are you ready, children? This is letter A. The sound is A. A. Say it again, children. A as in apple. Anchor. A. This is letter B. The sound is B. B. Say it again. B as in balloon. B. Basket. B. This is letter C. The sound is K. K. Say it again. K as in corn. K. Cage. K. Letter D. The sound is D. D. Say it again. D as in doll. Duck. D. Letter E. The sound is E. E. Say it again. E as in elevator. Egg. E. This is letter F. The sound is F. Say it again. F as in fish. Fork. This is letter G. The sound is G. G. Say it again. G as in guitar. Grass. G. Letter H. The sound is Say it again, children. As in house. Helmet. Letter I. The sound is E. E. Say it again. E as in insect. Igloo. E. This is letter J. The sound is J. J. Say it again. J as in jar. Jaguar. J. Letter K. The sound is K. K. Say it again, children. K as in kite. Kit. K. Letter L. The sound is L. L. Say it again. L as in light. Lion. L. This is letter M. The sound is M. M. Say it again. M as in mango. Mouse. M. This is letter N. The sound is N. N. Say it again. N. Nose. Nail. N. This is letter O. The sound is O. O. Say it again, children. O as in office. Orange. O. This is letter P. The sound is P. P. Say it again. P as in playground. Pineapple. P. This is letter Q. The sound is Q. Q. Say it again, children. Q as in queen. Quilt. Q. Letter R. The sound is R. R. Say it again. R as in robot. Rock. R. This is letter S. The sound is S. S. Say it again. S as in star. Socks. S. This is letter T. The sound is T. T. Say it again, children. T as in turtle. Tree. T. Letter U. The sound is A. A. Say it again, children. A as in umbrella. Under. A. Letter V. The sound is V. V. Say it again, children. V. As in violin. Vulture. V. This is letter W. The sound is W. W. Say it again. W as in walrus. Whale. W. This is letter X. The sound is X. X. Say it again. X as in exit. X-ray. X. This is letter Y. The sound is Y. Y. Say it again, children. Y as in yo-yo, yak, y. This is letter Z. The sound is Z. Z. Say it again. Z as in zoom, zipper, Z. Good job, children! See you in the next video.